Well, there's not much time left. Unicorns of Love will have 2 more attacks. The 3-star here will not be enough to put them back in the lead, but it will make the final rounds crucial. koMakuN needs to get that triple right here and now, and I think that he might be just the guy to do it for the Unicorns of Love. He actually has an incredibly impressive 15th place worldwide in the Legend League ranking. So he's climbed to the very top of the ladder, has been at the top of the mountain, looked down on the rest of the competition, and honed his skills with the very best. He remembers a crucial loss in last year's tournament, though, where he got a 2-star 99%, and is going to do everything he can to prevent that from stopping him and his team from advancing again. This is where it all comes down to the wire, where the rubber hits the road. koMakuN, we need you now for the Unicorns of Love to move on.
I'm trying to see what the spell usage was there. He used the freeze on the Royal Champion and then the invisibility onto the Clan Castle troops, which, I mean, he got through them, but it's... I'm not sure whether he used the wrong spell there or whether he actually just... Yeah, either way, he got through that. The king has indeed got the town hall, and the queen still has her ability moving into the center. Now, as you mentioned, being 15th in the world in Legends League, that allows him to be able to change the attack if something is going wrong, because you need to be able to do that in Legends League. I'll be honest, with the queen in the middle, this looks relatively good here as the Stone Slammer is tanking the scatter shot.
Very effective positioning, and as soon as that scatter shot pops, you know it's going to be even more loons popping out to give additional support here. Protected by that Grand Warden, they're just going to have to go on a rampage through with that haste spell at the end, trying to get that multi-target Inferno down. That's the last big obstacle for success here. Ooh, unfortunately drops a balloon with a Seeking Air Mine, but that's not going to be enough to stop him here. The haste spell actually going to be used on the single target Inferno now, and that multi, the last line of defense in Kingpin's base to try to stop this 3-star is just not going to be enough. Even with that super effective burning power, it's not going to stop that queen, Grand Warden, minions, everything from crashing down on this base. The 3-star from Unicorns of Love giving them some breathing room and hope